Hello everyone, this is Mohammed.
Tien.
Today we are going to talk about ambiguity and time normalization in context-free grammar.
So, what's a context-free grammar? A grammar is said to be context-free if all productions P have this form: A goes to X. A language is said to be context-free if only if there's a context-free grammar G, such as L is equal to L of G. So, let's talk about a characteristic of a context-free grammar. Context-free grammar, or CFG, is one of a class which are used to define a rule of grammar. CFG is primarily used to construct compiler or conform the structure of computer programs. Language which are constructed by using CFG require a unique formation for each line which grammar generates. So let's look at context-free grammar, shall we? The possibility of having more than one formation is known as ambiguity, which causes serious problems. Consider this arithmetic grammar.
So as characteristics of ambiguous grammar, we know that detecting no general method there is for detection, and the other problem is that representation of physical structure would not be that easy. Then what if the grammar is ambiguous? Ambiguity causes problem in language transition and interpretation. There are a few ambiguity detection methods available that can be with their own weakness and strange. Different methods for detecting ambiguity in context-free grammar are shown as below. And here we are going to compare them together, and in terms of termination, detecting ambiguity, detecting non-ambiguity, and showing accuracy. So as you can see, last two methods are satisfying all of the requirements.
We will look around detecting ambiguity. A procedure should be introduced to distinguish between ambiguous and unambiguous language. Parsing technique letting use of an entire CFG class for specifying programming language. The source of ambiguity should be known so it can be removed or distinguished. The error parsing has been widely recognized as one of the most powerful tools to check the ambiguity of context-free grammar. If an ambiguity is found, dynamically disambiguating or merging the trees of render it unambiguous. The error parsing can handle an extensive array of CFG and CFL than any other parsing method, and is better at reporting an error to users. Time normalization is the task of converting a natural language expression of time into a formal representation of time on a timeline. For example, the expression the day before yesterday would be normalized to the formal representation 2013 for 12, assuming that today is 2013 for 14. So this is our conclusion. Ambiguity and detection and analysis part. Detecting and analyzing the ambiguity help us find the source of ambiguity. The method assures the termination and show the accuracy is more effective for detecting ambiguity than resolving it. A good detecting ambiguity method can create a unique grammar which avoid the grammar from creating ambiguity. This is the time normalization section. A formal method developed for reordering of clauses that occurs when translating sentences by correspondence between phrase structure rules in the source and target languages. Several algorithms exist to perform translation using synchronized CFGs.
Thank you.
Thank you.